Hi, my name is Frances Beltran, Staff Services Manager 2 in the Housing and Homelessness Division within the California Department of Social Services. Here at the Housing and Homelessness Division, I oversee the Operations Unit as well as the Administrative Services Unit, both responsible for recruitment and budget services. At CDSS, we are focused on providing support and critical resources to those most in need, while striving to strengthen communities and ensure everyone can reach their highest level of health and potential for a successful life. In my role as Staff Services Manager 2, I oversee two teams. One is dedicated to recruiting and onboarding new team members and developing promotional paths with retention as top priority. The other team is committed to tracking contract expenditures and the overall budget for our division. I'm honored to work alongside teams of people who are excited and work hard to transform the lives of all of Californians. We are looking for qualified candidates to enrich our workforce. As part of the Housing and Homelessness Division here at CDSS, you will be part of a dynamic team of people who are committed to our vision to empower communities to end homelessness and promote housing stability for all of Californians. Our department believes in equity, diversity, and inclusion, and we cultivate these values through our work, administering critical programs that help many Californians in vulnerable populations. If you're ready for a new challenge and to make a difference, we ask that you please consider the California Department of Social Services.